A single accident, false claim, or hit and run can cost you thousands, and cheap dash cams often fail when you need them most. Watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one gives you the best protection without overspending. I'll cover video quality, night performance, parking protection, and real-world value. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. 70mm A810. The 70mm A810 is a strong, budget-friendly dual-channel dashcam that delivers premium features at a more accessible price point. Review highlights. It records 4K front and rear footage, uses Starvis 2 SN sensors, and supports HDR night vision for clearer details after dark. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and optional 4G LTE at extra value. Pros: 4K front and rear recording, Starvis 2 HDR night vision, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, optional 4G LTE support, reliable 24/7 parking mode. Number 4. ROVE R2 4K Dual. The ROVE R2 4K Dual remains one of the best value dashcams for drivers who want dependable performance without paying premium prices. Review highlights. It records 4K front and full HD rear footage, features a Starvis 2 sensor, and includes a free 128GB memory card, making it ready to use out of the box. Pros: 4K front and rear recording, Starvis 2 sensor for night clarity, fast 5G Wi-Fi app connectivity, free 128GB card included, excellent value for money. Number 3. REDTIGER F17. The REDTIGER F17 is a triple camera dashcam designed for maximum coverage on a budget. Review highlights. It records 4K front, 1080p rear, and 1080p interior footage, includes IR night vision, built-in GPS, and comes with a 64GB card included. Pros: triple channel recording, 4K front camera, interior IR night vision, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, solid parking mode support. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Pro. The VIOFO A229 Pro is a premium-level dashcam offered at a competitive price, making it a standout even in the budget category. Review highlights. It uses dual Starvis 2 sensors, capturing 4K front and 2K rear video with excellent HDR performance. Voice control and strong parking surveillance make it highly reliable. Pros: dual Starvis 2 sensors, 4K front plus 2K rear recording, excellent HDR night performance, voice control and GPS, trusted brand reliability. Number 1. 70mm 4K T800. The 70mm T800 delivers flagship-level features at a surprisingly reasonable price, making it the best budget dashcam of 2026. Review highlights. It offers triple-channel recording, capturing 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p interior footage. With Starvis 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6, and optional 4G LTE, and ADAS safety features, it outperforms most competitors in its price range. Pros: triple channel recording, dual 4K cameras for maximum clarity, Starvis 2 HDR night vision, Wi-Fi 6 and optional 4G LTE, advanced ADAS and 24-hour parking mode, supports up to 520GB storage. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, the best budget dashcam overall. After comparing video quality, night performance, features, and real-world value, the 70mm 4K T800 is the best budget dashcam of 2026, offering near-premium performance without the premium price tag. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.